In today's video, I will teach you how to make a flyer using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, make a canvas with the standard size of a flyer. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's canvas presets, which contains a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media and prints. You can also input your custom width and height at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. A standard flyer has a size of 8.5 by 11 inches, which is 2550 by 3300 pixels. Now, simply click the Make It button to open your flyer canvas in the editor. A blank canvas can be intimidating, so if you would like to make things easier for you, you can simply open the template library to start from a completely customizable template, or you can find an inspiration to your flyer. But if you would like to start completely from scratch, PicMonkey has a wide variety of text styles, shapes, and colors to make an eye-catching flyer. To add graphics, go to the sidebar and select Graphics. This will open the Graphics tab containing thousands of free and premium graphics elements that are neatly organized to make it easier for you to find what you're looking for. To customize your graphics, you can simply go to the sidebar, and here you have the option to fill your graphics layer with an image. You can also add shadows and outline, or you can simply change the color of the graphics or turn it into a gradient. To add text, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you have the option to choose from PicMonkey's customizable text presets, or you can start from scratch by simply adding a text box. Just keep in mind that readability is just as important as making your design eye-catching. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.